In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Stripe and take payments. Stripe is how you actually take money from patients in Velastria, booking deposits, follow-up invoices, all of it. Without Stripe set up, patients can't pay, and online bookings won't complete. Let's connect it. We start on the home page. Hover over Finance in the top navigation. The drop-down has everything to do with payments, quotes, and bookkeeping. Click Stripe Payments. This is the page where you connect, manage, and monitor your Stripe account. Here's what you see when Stripe isn't connected yet. Velastria gives you a quick summary of what's about to happen, a list of what Stripe will ask you for, and a single connect button. Stripe needs 3 things to set up your account: your business details, the legal name, address, and tax ID, an ID document for the account owner, a passport or driving license, and the bank account where Stripe will pay you out. Have those to hand before you start. One thing worth knowing: you never share any keys or secrets with Velastria. Stripe handles all the compliance work, the PCI side of things, and the tax forms. Velastria just routes patient payments to your Stripe account on your behalf. Your money lands in your bank, not ours. When you're ready, click the Connect Stripe Express button. Velastria hands you off to Stripe's hosted onboarding flow. Here's Stripe's onboarding page. At the top left, you'll see Kirkley Surgical Ltd. That's the Velastria platform itself, since Velastria is operated under that company. Your clinic is the connected business that Stripe will verify next. From here, you fill in your business details, upload an ID, link your bank account. Stripe verifies everything in the background. The whole thing takes about 10 minutes. When you finish Stripe's flow, you're redirected back to Velastria. The page now shows a green connected status, a link to open your Stripe Express dashboard whenever you want to check on payouts or refunds, and a disconnect button if you ever need to switch accounts. From this point on, every patient deposit and every clinic invoice routes to your Stripe account automatically. Nothing else to set up. One important thing: make sure you connect Stripe before you share your online booking link with patients. If a patient reaches the deposit step and Stripe isn't connected yet, they'll get an error and the booking won't complete. So set this up first, then send patients to your booking link, and the whole flow works end to end. That's Stripe. Open Finance. Then Stripe Payments. Click Connect Stripe Express. Finish Stripe's 10-minute onboarding and you're ready to take payments. From there, online bookings flow through to your Stripe account automatically, and you manage everything: payouts, refunds, disputes, through your Stripe Express dashboard, linked right from this page.